what you guys were talking about with the last guest you had, I believe the real reason they want Donald Trump out of there is because I think he is trying to get us back to the gold standard.
Yes.
I've kind of believed this over the last few years, but I do believe that is the main reason they need him out of office.
Yeah, I agree. Do you mean the actual gold standard?
Yes.
Okay.
I believe, because it seems like some of the moves he's making at the Fed or trying to make, these are real money people, and I think that's why he's having so many issues.
Yeah, could be. I know the last person he tried to appoint was a gold person. Last person he tried to appoint to the Fed as a Fed chair, and that mysteriously kind of went away and not coming back. I think that might be part of it. I'm not sure. I don't know his gold policies, but I will tell you this: he stands in the way of everything the New World Order means. He's not a guy that buys into the New World Order unless America would be running it. And quite honestly, even that I think would really bother him. He doesn't want to run the world. He wants us to do our thing, let everybody else do their thing, and we'll just do what we do best. He is standing in the way of all of these things, and that is why you have people from all over the world that are, doing whatever they can to get him out of office. I mean, we showed you when we were covering the impeachment, we have the British and the Italian governments working together to discredit Donald Trump and get the FISA court to allow them to spy on Donald Trump. They were working hand in hand. It's an amazing setup, and it's all on record.